5 a.m. reporting and somehow expected to look fresh every day. Cabin crew life may look glamorous, but disturbed sleep and exhaustion is very real. That's why I started using Nutrastore Sound Sleep tablets. Just one tablet before sleeping helped me unwind after long flights. It has melatonin along with six calming herbs like chamomile and passion flower that help me sleep naturally. Plus, knowing the brand comes with 120 years of pharma expertise made me trust them even more. After a few days, I could feel the difference in my sleep quality and even my energy levels during flight. That's why I recommend Nutrastore Sound Sleep tablets for better quality of sleep.